In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to self-host on Metabase. If you want full control over your analytics stack, where it runs, how it scales, and how it's secured, self-hosting Metabase is a great choice. In the next couple of minutes, I'll walk you through setting up a self-hosted production instance from the Metabase store. You don't need to deploy anything yet. We're just creating the instance entry and getting your account ready for self-hosting. Make sure you're signed in to your Metabase account and using a modern browser for the smoothest experience. Start by heading to the Metabase store's account area. This is where you manage your licenses and instances. Once you're on the account page, look for the option to create or manage instances. You'll see a section that differentiates environments, and that brings us to the next action. Choose the production instance option. Production is intended for your real, long-lived analytics environment, the place your team will rely on day to day. Even if you plan to test first, selecting production here simply sets the instance's purpose and keeps things organized. You can always manage staging or sandbox environments separately later on. Next, select self-hosted. This tells Metabase that you'll run Metabase on your own infrastructure, whether that's a virtual machine, Docker, Kubernetes, or another platform you control. With self-hosting, you own the runtime, network configuration, and security posture, while Metabase provides the software and licensing you'll need. Now click Create Instance. Think of this as creating a record for your upcoming deployment. You're not spinning up servers in the cloud through Metabase. Instead, you're preparing your account so you can download the software, access version details, and manage entitlements for this specific instance. Take a second to review any labels or names you assign so they match how your organization refers to environments. Finally, click Confirm and Create Instance. This saves everything and adds the new self-hosted production instance to your account. After confirmation, you'll see it listed in your instances. From there, you'll be able to access the materials you'll use when you deploy on your infrastructure, along with guidance tailored to self-hosting. Keep any identifiers associated with this instance organized in your internal documentation so teammates know exactly which environment they're working with. And that's it. You've set up a self-hosted production instance in the Metabase store, and you're ready for the deployment phase. In your next steps, follow Metabase's official self-hosting guidance to run it on your chosen platform, apply your organization's security standards, and connect your data sources. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.